waiting in the barn. If you don't hear anything, and suddenly you see popping up a chat. I think they're close. I think they're in the barn, and you can write, "Yeah, we are," or like, "Oh, shut up, we are not," or something. You know. It comes with many funny situations. But also you can speak directly to the people. Like that's also fun. You can roleplay in that game a lot. I did it before. Been fine. And how about now? 2 hours and there is a homeless appreciation moment here. Homeless appreciation moment? What? What does it mean? Are you becoming homeless or something? Or are you going for a long trip to wilderness or something?